Good day, tech readers. Now, we're not big on scaremongering here at Tech Magazine, but I think it's fairly apparent to everyone that germs on smartphones is definitely a thing. The creators of the product we're about to see claim that your phone might have up to 18 times as many dangerous germs as you would find on, hold your breath, a toilet seat. Yeah, that's right, 18 times as many dangerous germs as you would find in your bathroom facilities. Well, they've also invented a product that can solve that problem for you, and the product's name is phone soap. You might think that phone soap is a fancy wipe that you're going to use to wipe down your phone, but in fact, it is this magic box right over here. So, the phone soap box is equipped with fantastic medical grade UV lights on the inside, and the effect of UV lights is to destroy the bacteria that germs use. So all the germs are being automatically destroyed when you place your phone in the box and the UV lights are activated as you close the lid. So let's take a look at this one. Clearly you'll need to remove the cover from your phone. You can place your phone inside and you power up the device using a standard USB micro port as follows. You can now see that the light on the lid is activated, and within 10 minutes the UV light will be bombarding your phone for a full 10 minutes, and at the end of that period all the germs on the phone will be destroyed. Amazingly simple solution, involves no soap and in fact no liquid at all. The truth is, you can even put different kinds of products inside the phone soap and disinfect them all as the blue light comes on and bombards them with UV rays. In fact, if your phone was inside this product, you could even charge the phone through the special slot they've provided, and in this way you can charge your phone while it's busy being disinfected. So that's the phone soap. The phone soap takes 10 minutes to kill all known germs. You can use other objects that are not just cell phones, and it costs 1,500 Rand.